I spent hours on a video last month, published it, sat back and got 14 views. 14! And here's the thing, the content wasn't the problem. I had a distribution problem, and most people posting right now from their 9 to 5 lunch break have the exact same one without even knowing it. Here's what I mean. You hit publish and you think the work is done. It's not. The work has just started. Your title, your hook, your thumbnail, your keywords, that's what decides whether a single person ever sees what you made. So stop guessing what your audience wants and start looking at what they're already searching for. The data is right there. YouTube's own search suggests feature, Google Trends, even the comments on your competitors' videos. These are free tools that show you exactly what real people are typing in right now. Use them before you record, not after. Now, this part trips people up. They want big numbers. They want thousands of views. But 100 people who are generally interested in starting an online business will outperform 10,000 random scrollers every single time. The right eyeballs create real opportunity. Vanity metrics don't. A focused, targeted audience that actually cares about your topic is what builds trust over time. And trust is what eventually converts into something meaningful. And you don't need to be a content machine to fill multiple channels. One YouTube video can become a short, a Facebook post, an email, a clip for another platform. You create once, then you distribute it everywhere. That's how people with full-time jobs and 30 minutes a day actually build momentum. The content doesn't multiply your time, the strategy does. Here's the part most people skip. Your audience is already telling you what they want. Clicks, watch time, comments. Those aren't just metrics. The clues, a video that holds people for 2 minutes longer than your average is telling you something. A comment that asks a follow-up question is handing you your next topic. Pay attention and stop wasting hours making content nobody's asking for. Ignore them and you keep shouting into a void. So before you walk away from your next publish, ask yourself one question. How is the right person going to find what I just created? Good content plus the right traffic equals opportunity. Not guaranteed income, but a real shot at earning attention, building trust, and making something happen. Now, here's something worth thinking about. If you're putting in the effort to build this kind of content system, it makes sense to pair it with an offer that's actually set up to do the heavy lifting on the back end. I've got a link below that walks you through exactly what that looks like for me. So go and check out the bigresidual.com or click the link in the description below.